boys and girls, happy Tuesday. Today we are going to be working on day 2 of math and our at-home learning packets, and our focus today are math mountains, and we're going to be using math mountains to find partners of several different numbers. If you look on your worksheet, there are a lot of different partners for each number, so I'm just going to give you an example for a few of them just to help you get started so you know what your job is. So first I'm going to start at the top of the worksheet and do a math mountain to find partners of 6. So I'm going to start with my 6 on top, and then I'm going to draw my math mountain, and I'm going to make partners of 6 starting with the number 3 and what partner comes after that. So if you look at the first row of your worksheet, it should be the third one in. That's the one I'm giving you an example for first. So they give you the number 3 at the bottom of the math mountain on this side, and then there are 3 circles or tumblers, you can call them, on this side above the 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's what they give you on your worksheet, and it's your job to figure out what number needs to go over here that will be a partner of 6. So if we have a 3 on this side and we know that we need another partner to get to 6, we know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So I'm going to draw another 3 on this side and then 3 small tumblers on the line. Okay, then we can double check to make sure that we have 6 circles and that 3 plus 3 does equal 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we do. We have 6 circles, and we know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that's an example for what to do on your math mountains for partners of 6. Let's try another one. On the next row, you see a lot of partners of 5, and I'm not going to do an example for one of those because we did partners of 5 yesterday. So I'm going to move on to the next new number, and we see a 2. So now we know that we're making partners of 2. So again, I'm going to start with my number on top, and then I'm going to draw my math mountain. And you don't have to do this because it's already done for you. And then they have a 1 down here and 1 circle. So now we need to find what plus 1 equals 2. So if we use our fingers, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So over here I'm going to add a 1 and 1 circle. And then I'm going to double check and count to make sure I have 2. 1, 2. 1 and 1 are partners of 2. All right, let's try another one. If you look at the third row on your worksheet, we're now working on partners of 4. So I'm going to write my 4 at the top, draw my math mountain, and then I'm going to look to see what partners they're starting with. So I'm just going to do the first one that they give you for partners of 4, and that is a 3 on this side with 3 circles. Now we have to figure out what plus 3 equals 4. So if we use our fingers and we hold up 1, 2, 3 fingers, there's our 3. Now how many more to get to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I held up 1 more finger, so I know that 3 plus 1 equals 4. So I'm going to add a 1 to this side of my math mountain and 1 circle. And then count our circles and double check to make sure we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. All right, let's try another one. In that same row, they try to trick you and switch to partners of 3. So most of that row are partners of 4, but at the end, they want to give you partners of 3. So now we're going to write a 3 at the top, draw our math mountain, and then I'm going to look at the first 1 for partners of 3, and there's a 2 on this side, and 2 circles. So now we need to figure out what plus 2 equals 3. So if we hold up 2 fingers, 1, 2, and add 1 more, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So we want to add the number 1 on this side of the math mountain and draw 1 circle. Now we'll double check to make sure we have 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. All right. Let's do one more. If we look at the 4th row on our worksheet, all of those math mountains are partners of 10. So now for the rest of the worksheet, you're just focusing on making partners of 10. So I'm going to pick the first one in that row, and it has a 9 down here at the bottom, and now we have to do 9 circles. Counting with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Holy cow, that goes all the way up to the top. So we have 9 circles on this side, and we need to figure out what plus 9 equals 10. So if you hold up 9 fingers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 9, and add 1 more to get to 10. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. So over here on this side, we want to add a 1 and 1 circle, and then we double check all of our circles to make sure that we have 10. Counting with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. All right, boys and girls, hopefully that was helpful for you to work on your math mountains today and find partners of your numbers. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.